So g'day folks, it's Brodie from Ox Trailers. Today I thought I'd run you through our Gen 2 service trailer. Our new Gen 2 service trailer is constructed out of 2.5mm aluminium, so it's a fully welded aluminium canopy on a steel chassis. So starting at the front, we've got our drawbar toolbox. So this is a toolbox to suit your air compressors and any spare parts. It's also got a height adjustable shelf. Moving on, we've got a aluminium toolbox. This is a large toolbox for holding any spare tools or wheel chocks or anything like that. This service trailer is equipped with air operated pumps. So these you simply turn on and off depending on the pump that you need. These tanks are 4mm aluminium. They're 215 litres. We've got the digital preset control guns. We've also got the 15-metre hose reels. Coupled to these hose reels and guns is a 3-in-1 Graco PTO pump. So at the rear here, we've got a 3/4 hose, 20 metres long. That's coupled to the 215 waste tank. You can also offer a 500 litre waste tank. So at the rear here, we've got a Graco Husky diaphragm pump. This is obviously a pump to suck and to fill. And we've also got the 4-way evac valve. So on these tanks, we've got a level gauge, we've got a breather, and we've obviously got where the PTO pump is hooked up. We've also got a couple of spares, and we've also got a fill point at the back here. In our service trailer, there's plenty of storage options for extra tools. You simply just lift this piece of timber up, and you've got access to a small well. With the tanks in our service trailer, they're also very modular. We've got up to 1800 litres of storage, but also this here, you can add an additional tank, or you can also move these around if you need. So at the rear here, we've got a 15 litre water tank. You simply just undo that and put your hose in there to fill it. Then when you want to use it, you simply turn that to on.